Hi guys! Since nag-uulan lately, napag-isipan naming itry itong airsoft target shooting dito sa Makati Cinema Square. So, it's new activity and ang daming nagtatry. So, might as well try na rin natin. So, ayan. Dito sa shooting range na to, meron silang option to use a sniper gun. Meron ding handgun and merong automatic rifle. Okay, so ikot ko lang kayo dun sa place while nag-register si Madam. Pakita ko sa inyo later yung rates. Ayan, so dito kami sa Nano Airsoft Target Shooting. Ayan, may mga available merchandise din sila for airsoft shooting. Ayan yung mga guns, mga gears. Ayan, so dito sa area na to, dito yung automatic rifle. Ayan. Here. Ayan. Okay, then dito sa area nito, ito yung automatic na hand pistol or handgun. Try natin yan later. Yan, ito yung mga for sale na merchandise nila. Okay, so I think we're good. Mantayin lang natin si Madam and we'll see how it goes. Ayan, so natapos na ang amin shooting. Ito nga pala yung price ng kanilang target shooting fee. Kasama na yung mga bala dyan. So additional 20 pesos ata for the paper target. Ayan. So try nyo to guys. Sobrang maganda siyang hobby and pang pastime. Ayan. Yan yung kanilang weekends and weekday rate. And ito yung kanilang target shooting paper. Yeah, 20 pesos. Okay? So that's our airsoft shooting experience. Thank you for watching and see you on the next videos.